Susan, and today I'm going to tackle a flower bed, a very neglected flower bed. It's been overgrown with weeds. I've been extremely busy. It needs a lot of TLC at the moment. The flower bed itself is north facing, so it doesn't get a lot of direct sunlight during the day. In fact, probably by noon it doesn't get any sun at all. So there are some established plants. Well, let me show you. So as you can see, there are some established plants, a lot of weeds, and a rose bush that is overgrown and very unkept. So I'm going to have to remove the azalea bushes that are in here that haven't really grown in the 2 or 3 years that they've been here. They flowered twice. This year they didn't flower at all because there's not enough acid in the soil, and I didn't fertilize anything this year. So that is why things are the way they are right now. The hostas seem to be doing really well. They love this spot, and so I'm going to try to fill it in with a few more hostas so I don't have to worry about it. What I like about the hostas is that they kind of spill over and they really control the weeds in the spot. As you can see, the only weeds that I really have are in the middle, and they really, because they get the sun, they thrive.
So thank you all for coming. That's it. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye-bye for now.